Hey, what is going on everyone? Earn with Todd here, and in this video I'm going to show you a one candle price action strategy that involves trading on Tesla. So in this video we're going to explore the galaxy of Tesla and how simple it is to actually trade this stock. And here it is June 15, 2020, and Tesla is trying to pass the price of 1,000. And let me tell you, what you're going to see in this video is going to be such a simple strategy, you're not even going to believe it. And the trading strategy that we will be looking at is called the kangaroo tails. It's a very simple one candle price action strategy. So enough of that, let's go ahead and show you how these kangaroo tails work with Tesla. Alright, so we have the Tesla chart open right here from June 15th, 2020. And if we look down here at this candle at 6:34 a.m. Pacific, 4 minutes after the New York Stock Exchange opened, this little guy right down here printed. Now, this is a kangaroo tail. If you're not familiar with them, has a very small body and a long wick, but kangaroo tails do have specific rules. First, the open and close of a kangaroo tail must close within the previous candle's range. What is the previous candle's range? Well, it is the high and the low of the previous candle, just like this. And we can see this body has clearly closed within the previous candle's range. Now, what kangaroo tails signify is the potential for huge reversals to happen. And in this example, Tesla this morning did a perfectly executed kangaroo tail movement. As soon as this kangaroo tail printed, price just shot up. And price went from 910 up to 924 in under 10 minutes. And if you are trading on leverage, this would be about 140 pips within 10 minutes. But let's go ahead and zoom out and see how far Tesla actually reversed once this kangaroo tail printed. Let me tell you, these little kangaroo tails are vicious little creatures. Okay, a lot of traders think there's only bulls and bears, but let me tell you, there's a third animal in the market and it's called the kangaroo. But anyways, if we look at this candle right here, we can see Tesla rallied the whole day until the close, went from 910 all the way up to 998. And if you're trading this on leverage or margin, this would be an 870 pip move off of A. Let's look at what the risk would have been. So when we spot a bullish kangaroo tail, we usually put the stop loss below the wick, just like this around here. And you want to give it a little extra room below the wick, just in case price does come down before reversing. This is a protective stop loss. When we're trading kangaroo tails, we have to put our stop losses in, or if you're not trading with a stop loss, how are you going to know what your risk to reward is? But if we look at this, our risk on this trade would have been 40 pips. And as I said, Tesla shot up over 870 pips on this move, which is at least a 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio. But that's not all that came with the kangaroo tails. By the way, if you want to learn how to trade kangaroo tails in depth, you're going to want to click the link down in the video description. I have a completely free 28-minute video about how to trade kangaroo tails. There's absolutely no upsells in my website. Hey, I don't even have a credit card form on my website. It's a completely free training system on how to trade kangaroo tails. But if we look later in the day, another kangaroo tail actually printed. Take a look at it, a really nice long wick. We can see that this kangaroo tail closed within the previous candle's range. And once again, this kangaroo tail continued to the upside. And let's see how high it actually went from that kangaroo tail. Let's throw out a measurement here. So here we are at 965 and price jumped up to 998, which would have been 330 pips. And if we add up all those pips, that's over a 1,000 pip day, counting the 840 pips from the first kangaroo tail. And then once we add this up, this is another 330 pips. Easy 1,000 pip day, and just a phenomenal percentage gain in just a single trading day on Tesla. And like I said, it was a very simple one candle strategy, and it just doesn't work on Tesla. Okay, it works on every stock you'll see, and once you backtest enough of these kangaroo tails, you're gonna see without a doubt they are a phenomenal trading strategy. So ladies and gentlemen, with that said, this is all I have for you in this Tesla trading video. If you want to learn how to trade kangaroo tails, go ahead, click the link down in the video description, visit my website kangaroohunter.com, and check out that completely free training. And like I said, there's nothing to buy on my website. There's no credit card form, there's no expensive course upsells, there's no monthly signals I provide. My website is 100% free, unlike a lot of these fake trading gurus who will say they have free trading stuff on their website, but in reality, they'll end up upselling you like a $500 course. You're not going to find that with Earn with Todd. I provide all of this knowledge 100% free. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up, drop a comment, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel because you're not going to want to miss all of my YouTube videos. And by the way, if you want to get the full value out of learning how to trade kangaroo tails with me, make sure to check out my daily Twitch streams. I go live every single weekday, 6:30 a.m. Pacific, right at the New York Stock Exchange Open, and I'm live for a couple hours. And of course, you will find that link down below. Thank you for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of the day. Earn with Todd is signing off of this video.